Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the side key, press and hold to open the power off menu on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings menu. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next, go down and tap on side key. Then we go down to the press and hold section and select power off menu. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From now on, you can press and hold on the side key like this. And this will open up the power menu. This will allow you to quickly power off the device, restart the phone, or you can raise an emergency call. And that's it. Finally, you can just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen again. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.